Well, it's official. We're going into an ADU that's being lived in by real people. It's on a real property. It's in a real city. This is actually happening. As you know, if you've been following the channel, most of what I show is usually a model home, either at a factory or at a sales lot. And I get a lot of comments saying, well, this is a great idea, but you can't put these things anywhere, which simply isn't the case. These homes are being built all over the country. However, it's not every day that someone wants some dork in green pants coming to their home and putting it on the internet. All right? The people today were nice enough to let me come by, and here's why we're in for an extra special treat. This is not any ADU. This is the Terrace Series 900 from Aura Prefabs that I first talked about 2, maybe 3 years ago. And I have been waiting patiently to see one in real life. What I like about this home is the wind. No, what I like about this home is the top piece creates a covered patio for the bottom piece. It's got a rooftop deck. I could go on and on and on, but it's probably easier if I just show you. Let's check it out. Big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace is the all-in-one platform for those looking to stand out online. So as we walk down the side of the main house, let me give you a little bit of a backstory of what they've done here. Basically what it was the people that are now living in the ADU own the main home, and it was just too much space for them, so they added the Terrace 900, moved into it, and rented out the main home. So now they live in a smaller space. Someone else lives in the main home, and they're generating income and creating housing by adding more density to a lot. I just want to go over this way. They're having a pizza party over here, so I'm not going to get too close, but have a look at this. This is what I'm talking about. So what we've got on the bottom is 16 feet wide by 24 feet long, and then up top you've got 16 feet wide that way by 36 feet long that way, and this is the rooftop deck. So they did make some adjustments to this floor plan so that it worked well on the lot. The original plan had a third bedroom that came off this way, and that took the plan to 1,100 square feet and added more space to the rooftop deck on the top. So that is definitely an option. I'm just gonna take a quick cruise around here. We'll go around the back, and then I'll come back to the covered porch and we will go inside. So there's 2 entrances on this home. The first one on the front that you saw under the covered porch, and the second is back here into the kitchen. I just think this is such a cool home. Obviously it ships in 2 pieces. You can see the bottom piece was placed first and then the top piece placed after. And as I was mentioning earlier, you've got this really cool space right here that's created from the top unit. Check that out. So they've got ceiling fan, they've got 6 pendant lights hanging down that are kind of blowing in the breeze right now. That is just such an awesome space. So I'm gonna go back around this way, get a look down this side, and then we will head inside and I'll show you what this thing's all about. Look at that. This is gonna be one of the coolest ADUs out there right now. Okay, so you got the big sliding glass door on the front. I'm just gonna take my shoes off real quick. Big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. It doesn't matter if you've got a business, side hustle, or hobby, you can boost your brand with a stunning, easy to use website. Listen, I am not a tech genius, so when I say it's easy to use, that's not coming from someone who's building websites on a daily or even yearly basis. Now, I am building out my own site and was able to hit the ground running with one of their templates. I like having the outline to work with. However, if you want to build a more personalized website, they've got an AI-powered tool that'll whip up something custom just for you. This is what you call a one-stop shop. They offer everything right down to the domain, and I was able to pick up carrietarno.com for almost free. $25.20 to be exact, one of the best deals of 2025 so far. Whether you're looking to start a blog or sell an online course, they've got the tools to get it going, so why not get it going? Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/carrietarno to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. There we go. And as you enter in, off to the right, we've got the kitchen. And what I like about this is they've got this peninsula that comes out, and there's room for 4 seats. So no need for a dining table because it's built in with this peninsula that comes from the factory. Over here, we've got the corner window looking out to the plungy pool over there. Might get eyes on the pizza party. No, you can't see them. So here's the kitchen. Let's check out the storage. They've got the wood grain cabinets against the white countertop, which looks good. Stainless steel sink and hardware. There's the stove, and over here we've got a fridge across a bit of a pantry. So I am trying to get this all in one shot because they were nice enough to give up their home, and when people do that, I definitely don't like to take up too much of their time. So there's the back door. You can see it's a full pane of glass in that, letting in more natural light from that side. I just landed in Austin, so I'm not entirely sure what direction that is, but the sun's setting on the other side, so do whatever you want with that information. Here's a look at the living room, and as you can see, lots of space over there. What we're looking at is 9-foot ceilings on both floors, so 9 foot on the bottom, 9 foot on the top. And behind door number 1, we've got the half bath. So as I mentioned, this is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home. Nice to have the half bath on the main floor. So if you're hanging out down here, watching TV, watching a movie, whatever you're doing, you've got a bathroom. Let's get a look out at the covered porch from the living room. There's the main house that is now rented out, generating income. I think it's about time we go upstairs. So a couple windows on this wall. You've got the window letting natural light into the stairwell. And let's go up to the second story of this home. As I round the corner, you get a look at the rooftop deck right here. So if this is open, we will go out, and it is. Oops. Another look at the plungy pool down there and the pizza party in the corner. So this is about perfect for this space. You know, it's almost like a tree fort, the way you're right under this tree, which I really think is quite nice. Let's go back in. First, we will go down to the main bedroom, which is being used as a bedroom right now. And the second bedroom is being used as an office. So another cool thing about this plan is you're up above the main house. So the main house is a rancher, and this one is now 2 stories. So you kind of have a view over the whole neighborhood, which I just noticed. Windows on 2 sides. Over there, there's the closet, which I'm not going to go into because, again, they were nice enough to let me do a quick tour in here to show off what's possible and a real home that people are living in, so I'm not going to root through their things. You got double sinks in there. What do we got? We got a walk-in shower, and of course, there's the toilet right there. Through the bathroom, you've got the office space. Again, we're looking over most of the neighborhood because it is an older neighborhood, and this is probably the newest house in it, and it kind of towers over everything, which is perfect for the people living in it. You've got views almost every direction out of this thing. Okay, let's go back down. We'll go, oh, I missed this door. What's this? This is the furnace. So there you have it, folks. Let's go back downstairs. I'll give one last look of the living room and kitchen from this angle. And then I will bring up the floor plan so that you can see exactly what you just saw in real life. There it is. Check this space out. Very well done. Aura Prefabs, this is the Terrace 900 in Austin, Texas. Here's a look at the floor plan. If you need more time with it, feel free to hit the like button and pause the video here because I'm moving on. All right, that's it for me here in Austin. Again, this is the Terrace 900 from Aura Prefabs. 900 square feet. You got 2 bedrooms, you got 1.5 bathrooms, and you've got that nice open living space down below. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.